I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, pullback. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Real quick, earlier today at 1:50 p.m., I talked about this double top. The bulls kept buying it up. Support needs to hold. It's not confirmed yet as a break to the downside. Measured move, and Bitcoin pulled back. Double top confirmed. So we're going to jump into this video. We're going to jump into this market. We're going to figure out what's next Bitcoin move to watch for. This is either a huge buying opportunity or swing failure pattern. Very important daily, weekly candle close coming for Bitcoin. This is huge. This is important. Pay attention. Make sure and watch the video all the way through. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Bitcoin needs to hold above this level at about 40,000. Definitely would be very bullish to see a close, weekly close above the 21 simple moving average, right? We talked about how bullish things happen when the price action is above the 21 simple. We saw an amazing run up from 8,000 to 65,000 while the price action was above the 21 simple weekly moving average. Bitcoin 12-hour chart. This is make or break for Bitcoin. So it's important that this is either a huge buying opportunity or swing failure pattern where you've got the 200 simple coming in here. This could be a retest, right? You had this breakout with volume of this previous resistance. The bulls have to bounce here, right? Huge buying opportunity. If the bulls can bounce here, if it breaks back down in this pattern, you could see some type of more consolidation, right? And so very important to pay attention to what happens where this weekly candle close. The bulls have been buying these pullbacks up. Like we've seen bearish divergence play out, and it's been laughable because the bulls have been showing up. They've been buying it back up. Rising wedges, 68% chance that this breaks to the downside, right? But we've seen it break to the upside previously. Like I said, I was talking about this earlier. Watch this. Like we do not want to get this pullback, this double top confirmation for Bitcoin. Did get confirmed, actually retested as well. Came back up here, retested the level. And that's downside continuation based on this idea. Now, the measured move down here is basically the bottom of this pattern. If this pattern breaks to the downside, then the measured move of the pattern is 36,600. And so that would mean more Bitcoin consolidation, potential downside. So again, this is it. This is key. Right? This could either be a huge buying opportunity, right? If this thing can bounce here and Bitcoin bulls show up, or downside and potential sideways consolidation happening. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made $22,000 in 24 hours on some oversold bounces. Huge. This person is up $88,000 in big money. This person posted their trades on Ethereum. I gave you guys Ethereum setup, I think 5 times. Shout out to this person, up 85,000 over the past week trading Ethereum. Been a euphoric week trading ETH, closed all positions. Thank you for your insight and teachings to read the market. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime, period. If you want life-changing money, here it is. Here's your opportunity. This is it. You got to take advantage of it. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. These are some of the recent winners we've had: 47% gains, 115%, 87%, 41%, 69%, 314%, 42%, 53%. I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. NFTs. NFTs look like this. They're kind of just rolling over. So if we go to NFT dominance, we talked about this idea. Need a bounce at this level. Oversold bounce for NFTs would give NFTs another move higher. all dependent on Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. Again, it was basically by the support bounce. I posted this on YouTube multiple times for you guys. And so you guys would have got in here, this bounce level, 33% profits out of Ethereum. That's like a small cap doing 100% gains. Like Ethereum's heavy. It's hard to move, right? EIP, you got to take these coins with a bunch of news and ride them. Ride the winners, right? You're looking at all these coins. You don't know what to trade. Make the most of these huge EIP 1559. Everybody's like, this is like the Ethereum halving. This is big. I covered this 4 or 5 YouTube videos for you guys. Now this is important. What are the altcoins going to do? Ethereum BTC is a good gauge of how the altcoins will act. And so if this breaks out, retests, moves higher, Ethereum and the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, which means Bitcoin could be potentially setting up for some type of sideways action. Okay, so if you get this explosive move out of Bitcoin, it'll be harder for the altcoins to outperform Bitcoin, so your alt BTC pairs won't perform as well. So understand that idea. DOT, I gave you guys DOT yesterday. 9,664 people saw this. DOT up 20% in a day. Easy money. All right, real quick, just some ideas. This is SFP, so SafePal. They have some news coming. SafePal Earn is still under testing process. Please stay tuned. They look forward and they're going to be launching it safely soon. Good fundamentals here, and they've got SafePal Earn coming. You want to see, number one, you want to see Bitcoin act right? Bitcoin consolidating and this thing would take off. All right, this is right here and it's stuck at your 8-hour 200 simple moving average, right? So you want to see a nice breakout. See this rising channel, right? You want to see a good breakout of that for entry. Okay, so if you do, I mean, you could see a 50% run up out of SFP BTC based on this idea. SXP is another one. And so this has had a tremendous drawdown. Like there's this crazy double top and then it looks just like Bitcoin. Now the question is, are you going to get a pullback and a retest? SXP, if it pulls back, this is your buy idea. Like you don't want it to go into the pattern and buy it, right? But if it breaks out, I mean, there's definite upside ideas. Like these targets would be viable options. Okay, so I mean, you could see $3.15, 50% gains, but it has to break out above this breakout level, right? And so if you do get a retest, this is good confirmation. You see all this volume came in down here? This is telling you, hey, the market recognizes that this pattern is valid, right? And so all this, essentially, see this red line that's the point of control? That is where there's a ton of resistance. So once that's broken, this is called a low volume node. There's no sellers up here, right? This is going to be quick and easy money. But Bitcoin has to perform right? Bitcoin doesn't do well, just scratch this. GB, I've been watching this, like, are we going to get this long consolidation, rounded bottom out of this thing? Or, I mean, essentially you got to have this double bottom idea. But again, you need to get a breakout at this level. See how, this is called a high volume node, right? So this is where all the price action's been happening, right? Once it breaks out, look, there's nothing here, right? You'll get a quick move up here. You could get, 30% gains out of DGB, but it has to break this level. It's way overextended. It's like, imagine driving your car and the thing is overheating. Like it's overheated. Like it will be completely healthy to get a pullback to either here or here and get continuation higher. And this might turn into this rounded bottom where you get this ridiculous breakout. We get this altcoin season in the middle of next month, right? And so you just have to understand how these ideas work. It's not necessarily buy now. It's like, hey, let me put these on your radar and pay attention to these ideas. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.